Are you looking for the best ID mobile phones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best ID mobile phones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Blackview Color 8 Smartphone. The Blackview Color 8 offers impressive features for everyday use. With its octa-core processor and up to 16 GB of RAM, you can enjoy smooth performance for gaming and multitasking. The 50MP camera captures stunning photos, making it easy for you to take professional quality images in various lighting conditions. The massive 6000 mAh battery ensures that you stay powered throughout the day, while the 18W fast charging gets you back to using your phone quickly. Plus, with expandable storage of up to 2 TB, you'll never run out of space for your media. What we like: high-performance octa-core processor, impressive 50MP camera, long-lasting 6000 mAh battery, expandable storage up to 2 TB. Number 2. Soy Mini Smartphone 4G. The Soyes Mini phone is designed for kids and offers a range of useful features. With 4G connectivity, you can enjoy fast browsing and seamless communication. Its compact size makes it easy to hold, perfect for smaller hands, and it doubles as a reliable backup phone while traveling. The impressive 2000 mAh battery ensures you stay connected all day without frequent recharges. Plus, with dual SIM support, you can use 2 carriers at once, eliminating the need for multiple devices. This mini smartphone is a fantastic choice for both kids and adults looking for convenience. What we like: compact and lightweight design, long-lasting 2000 mAh battery, dual SIM functionality, fast 4G connectivity. Number 3. HeyxFome X2 2024 Smartphone. The HeyxFome X2 phone features a large 6.5-inch HD Plus display, offering a vibrant viewing experience for browsing or watching videos. With Android 12, it includes a night mode that helps protect your eyes in low-light settings. You will appreciate the smooth performance with 3 GB of RAM, allowing you to switch between apps effortlessly. Additionally, the phone comes with 16 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 256 GB, giving you plenty of space for your photos and apps. What we like: large HD Plus display, night mode for eye comfort, expandable storage, lightweight and portable. Number 4. LatsYrs S21 Ultra Mobile Phone. The LatsYrs S21 Ultra phone is designed for both the elderly and children, offering a user-friendly experience with its 5.0-inch display. It runs on the stable Android 9.0 system, making it easy for you to download and use your favorite apps without the hassle of frequent updates. With 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage, you can expand its capacity with a memory card for more photos and videos. The phone also features dual SIM capability and dual 5.0MP cameras, allowing you to capture clear moments in various lighting conditions. This phone is a great choice for everyday use and as a backup device. What we like: affordable price, lightweight design, easy to use, expandable storage, good camera performance. Number 5. F2F Talk S24 Ultra Smartphone. The F2F Talk S24 Ultra phone offers a large 6.6-inch HD display, perfect for enjoying videos and games with vibrant colors and clear images. With its Face ID feature, you can quickly unlock your phone, providing convenience in your daily use. This device runs on a stable Android 10 system, ensuring a smooth experience while navigating apps and features. Additionally, the phone comes with 16 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded to 128 GB, allowing you to save your favorite photos and videos without worry. What we like: large HD display, Face ID unlocking, expandable storage, stable Android 10 system.